Hosting the event. To help your event run smoothly and successfully, keep these key points in mind. Team assembly. Recruit and organize a team of WordPress experts and session facilitators well in advance. These individuals will be crucial for delivering effective workshops and training. Utilize the WordPress community and local groups to find experienced volunteers. Session schedule and logistics. Finalize the session schedule and logistics like room setup and AV equipment before event day. Make sure the schedule is clearly shared with all facilitators and participants. Facilitator briefing. Conduct a briefing session with all facilitators before the event to review the agenda, session content, and any specific instructions. Ensure everyone is familiar with their roles and responsibilities. On-site support. Have dedicated team members available throughout the event to provide on-site support for technical issues, participant questions, and general coordination. Material distribution. Prepare and share all the materials your participants will need, whether handouts or digital resources, ahead of time. Make sure everything's easy to access and understand. Engagement and interaction. Encourage engagement and interaction during sessions. Facilitators should use interactive methods, Q&A sessions, and practical exercises to keep participants involved. Feedback collection. Plan for collecting feedback from participants at the end of the event using this feedback form. This feedback will be valuable for improving future WordPress Campus Connect events. You can use the browser translation tools to translate the survey to your preferred language. Expert availability. Ensure WordPress experts are available to assist participants with technical issues or advanced questions. Designate specific times or areas for expert consultations. Community building. Foster a sense of community among participants. Encourage networking and collaboration during breaks and group activities. Issuing a certificate of participation. Congratulations on organizing a successful and impactful WordPress Campus Connect event. To acknowledge the successful organization and impact of WordPress Campus Connect events, and to provide students with a sense of accomplishment, event organizers have the opportunity to create and distribute personalized certificates of participation. A customizable certificate design is available in the Figma file, allowing organizers to personalize each certificate with the event details, the student's name, and their own signature. For enhanced prestige, certificates can be signed by Mary Hubbard, WordPress Executive Director. To facilitate this, complete the Figma certificate file with all event details and submit it to support@wordcamp.org with the subject, Campus Connect, Certificate of Completion, for review and signature. Upon receipt, program managers will confirm the details and ensure Mary Hubbard's signature is securely added via Dropbox Sign, enhancing the commemorative value of the certificates. Post-event. Once your event wraps up, we'd love for you to share your highlights in the Campus Connect channel on the WordPress.org Slack workspace. It's a great place to celebrate your wins, exchange insights, and get support for future events. You'll also receive an organizer badge on your WordPress.org profile, a recognition of your contribution to the community. From here, there are many ways to stay involved. You can join your local WordPress meetup group, or even start a WordPress Campus Connect student club on your campus. Student clubs help keep the energy going, creating ongoing learning opportunities and community engagement long after your event. They're perfect for students who missed the original event and for organizers who want to continue building a vibrant WordPress community on campus. Student clubs can host regular meetups, workshops, and even future WordPress Campus Connect events. WP Credits. The WP Credits program is an innovative global project that partners with universities to integrate WordPress into their curriculum. The program provides professors and students with the resources, training, and official recognition to work on real-world WordPress projects for nonprofits, contributing to their digital presence while gaining valuable, accredited experience. It's a unique blend of academic learning and contributing back to the open source ecosystem. If you are a student or professor interested in bringing the WP Credits program to your university, or if your institution is already considering it, participation requires a formal application. Access to this course and the broader program is granted only to approved partner universities. To express interest and begin the application process, the relevant faculty or administrative staff from your university must complete the official interest form. Thank you for your enthusiasm for learning and for getting involved in the WordPress community.